the quantity of butter was not right, means that the butter that he used before in the butter was less. Question number 3 is, the packets of butter that farmer Winston sold Mr. Carson did not weigh 1 pound each. Is this sentence true or false? This is true, because the packets of butter that farmer Winston sold Mr. Carson did not weigh 1 pound each. So you will tick on true and write here true. Question number 4 is, the cakes were not the same. This means that what do you mean by this? The cakes were not the same. Mr. Carson was now baking different cakes. Mr. Carson cakes were not as good as before, or Mr. Carson made each cake a different weight. B is the right option, so you will tick on B. Mr. Carson cakes were not as good as before. Question number 5 is, why did the police arrested the farmer? That why did the police take the farmer with him? Answer is, the police arrested the farmer for cheating. He was selling underweight goods. Police take the farmer with them because he was cheating. Cheating means class that the plan wrong for something, or doing with something wrong. Doing wrong with something. Question number 6. Who was cheating who? That who was doing wrong with who? Mr. Carson was cheating farmer Winston. Mr. Carson was doing wrong with farmer Winston. Question number 7 is, do you think Mr. Carson felt ashamed at the end? What do you think? You have read the story. What do you think that at the end of the story Mr. Carson felt ashamed or not? Answer is yes. I think Mr. Carson felt ashamed at the end. Question number 8 is, how would you have felt if you had been in Mr. Carson's place? For example, if you are in place of Mr. Carson and you are cheating someone, then how would you feel? Answer is, I would feel ashamed and try not to do this again in life. Last question is, what is the main idea of the lesson? Means what do you learn from this lesson? Answer is, as you sow, so shall you reap. It means, students, if you think bad for someone, or if you do wrong with someone, that one day you will also have face wrong, or you will also have face bad. Okay. Next, page number 9. Page number 9, recall the story. Students, on this page you have to recall the story. First question is, who are the characters? Who are the main characters of the story? First is Farmer Winston, and second character is Mr. Carson, and third character is the judge. Next question is, what is the setting? Means which are the places in the story? Dairy farm of farmer Winston and bakery of Mr. Carson. Third question is, what happened in the story? What happened in the story?